how to fix iPhone turns on and off by itself. So if you want to fix iPhone turns on and off by itself, then what you need to do is first, you need to make sure that your software is updated because outdated softwares might give you this kind of problem. So open up your settings, then scroll down a bit and go with general, go with software update. And if you have any software updates, you need to just simply go and update it. After updating your software, your problem might be fixed. If not, you need to go back to your general, then scroll down a bit and go with transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset and reset all of your settings. After resetting your settings, your problem might be fixed. After that, go back and then go with the battery section. Here you need to go with battery health and charging, and you will find an option of peak performance capability. You need to check your battery health. Like if it's around 70, then it's in a bad condition. You need to understand that the problem might be because of your battery. And sometimes this problem occurs due to chip hardware. If there is a hardware problem, then you can go to the service center. And if there is no problem with your battery, then you can just simply go and restart your device. After restarting, the problem will be fixed. That's it. If you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.